Today's topic is algebraic expression and identities, exercise 6.1. First question is, identify the terms, their coefficients for each of the following expression they given here. 6th question. First one is 5x y z square minus 3z y they have given. So what terms we have? Two terms we have. Here this is one term and next term I have written. So two terms we have in first question and I have written the two terms. What is the coefficients here? In this, plus 5 is first question, first term coefficient. Second term they given minus 3. So if it is there minus, along with the minus sign we should write. So minus 3 is the second term coefficient. Second question they have given here 1 plus x square. So how many terms we have? 3 terms. That is 1, 2, 3 terms we have. So that 3 terms also I have written here. So first term, what is the coefficient? It is 1. Second term, what is coefficient? No number means that is meaning of only one x is there. So it is 1. X square means only 1 x square we have. Suppose what is the meaning of 2x square means? It is x square plus x square, that is 2 time we are adding, that is what? 2x square. Suppose when we multiply x square into x square means we will get x to the power of 4. So x square means what is the meaning? X square means only x into x. X 2 time we multiply, that's what? X square. When we add x plus x, we will get 2x. So 2x square means x square 2 time we added, that is what? 2x square. That means only 1x square means what? Only 1x square we have. So what is the coefficient of x square? Only 1. Fifth one is x by 2 plus y by 2 minus xy they given. So what is the coefficient we have to write for this and how many terms we have? So this is full one term, second term, third term. So we have 3 terms. That 3 terms I have written in this. So what is the coefficient of this? Without this variable we have to write. If you take x as variable out, what it will be here? 1 by 2. So here y if you take out, what it will be there in this? 1 divided by 2. Here xy if you take, what it will be there in this? No number means meaning of 1. So it is minus 1 xy. So minus they given. So minus 1 is our answer. Second question. Remaining you do as homework. Second one is classify the following polynomials as monomials, binomials, trinomials. Which polynomials do not fit in any of these 3 categories? Suppose monomial means 1 term, binomial means 2 term, trinomial means 3 term. More than 3 term anything if we have, that is like polynomials do not fit in any of these 3 categories we have to write. X plus y they given. It is called binomial. Good. 1000 is monomial. X plus x square plus x cube plus x power 4 is polynomial, do not fit because it is 4 terms we have. So we have to put the tabular column monomial. They have given 2. That is 1000 they given, PQR they given. It is monomial. It is one more monomial. I have written in monomial column. Binomial. They have given here x plus y and 2y minus 3y like this. So which they have given 2 terms. This I have written in binomial column. Trinomial means 7 plus y plus 5x. So they have given here 3 terms. 1, 2, 3 terms is added. That's why it is trinomial. Same like that categories I have separated and written in this trinomial. Polynomials that do not fit in this categories I picked up here. X plus x square plus x cube plus x power 4. They have given 4 terms. Here AB plus BC plus CD plus DA also they have given 4 terms. That's why I written in this place. Third question is add the following. They have given here 4 questions. I'll do first and third one. You do remaining 2 sums. AB minus BC and BC minus CA, CA minus AB. We have to add this. So when we add, we have to put addition symbol for this. Here plus term we have AB. Then we have to check any minus term is there or what. So otherwise check the same term we have here. AB I have plus, AB I have minus. So both also it will get cancelled. Same like that. BC I have minus, BC I have plus. So this both will get cancelled. Then CA plus and minus we have this both also it will get cancelled. Everything get cancelled. I'll get 0 as result. Third question is 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4. So p square q square also we have in this, but this trinomial and this trinomial we have to add. So I'll put here plus sign for both. Then 2p square q square minus 3p square q square. Here I having this variable is same, but numerical coefficient is different. So minus 3 plus 2. What I'll get the answer? Minus 1, because the difference is 1. Bigger number sign I have minus. So minus 1 time p square q square I will get. Then next variable I should check, it is pq. So where is PQ again? Here I have PQ. So this term and this term we have same variable, but number is minus 3 plus 7 I have. So here minus 3 plus 7. So from 7 if you do minus 3 will get plus 4. So plus 4, which term? PQ term we have. Then here number term plus 4 plus 5 we have. So our result is plus 9, because both also when we have the plus sign we have to add and write it in this place. This is our answer. We cannot do here addition or subtraction because p square q square is different term, p and q is different term. Fourth question, subtract 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12 from 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. From this we have to separate this. So we have to write this term as first term. From this we are going to subtract this. So second what question they given I have written in first line. This I have written in second line. So when we are going to do subtraction, we should change all the signs. Suppose plus is there means plus into minus will get here minus. That's what I have to write in this place. Suppose minus is there means minus into minus. I am going to do subtraction. So minus into minus plus I will get. Again plus into minus, minus I should change the sign. Plus is there means plus into minus, minus I should change. Then this is what we have to take for calculation now. Same term, a term near only I written a term, ab term, ab term. Suppose in this ab term is not there, means we have to put 0 ab term or we have to leave simply in this place. Same term near only we have to write this same variables. So 12a minus 4a means we'll get 8a which is plus. Why plus? Because bigger number sign we have plus. No sign means it is meaning of plus. Here also if you want to put you can write, otherwise no need to write plus means. But minus means compulsory we have to write in this first place. Here minus 9ab plus 7ab means we'll get minus 2ab. 2 is different, minus means bigger number sign we have minus. Plus 5b minus 3b is plus 2b is difference. Plus why we written? Because bigger number sign we have plus. Minus 3 minus 12 minus 15 we are getting. When we have same sign we have to add the number and write the same sign here. Remaining sums do as your homework.